The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so lots of times I heard about relationships that gone bad. Yes, I said to you, I even saw videos on social media that shows relationships that gone bad. Yes, I said to you. In this video, I'm going to present to you a video that is going to show what happened when a female caught her ex-boyfriend with a woman inside of a house that she was moving out of. You see me, I said to you? In my point of view, she caught her ex-boyfriend and the woman in a compromising position. You see me? And you know, some of the things that I saw and heard in the video, it was somewhat not good. You see me? I said it was bad to me. Some of the things that I saw and heard. You see me? I said to you. However, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video has been talked about on social media, you know. And I'm also presenting the video to you so that you can take a look at it. You can also let me know what you think about the video and to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. All right. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Flow. What a You in my crib. On the floor. With a under my cover. This ain't never. This. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. What, you his girlfriend? No. Oh, where y'all meet at? Where y'all meet at, girl? I need to know, because you in. So I just need to know. You fine. I ain't even finna fight you. It ain't.
You know you could get a motherfucker hurt like that, right?
I could have came here on straight attack mode.
You know what I'm saying? Any fucking thing. What's wrong with you, G? You don't think
I could have came in here on straight attack.
You bring me to another girl crib. Like that shit, you can't play like that. What?
Oh, hell no, y'all. It's fucking hilarious.
Can you give me on vlog though, please? Because I'm really like, on some shit, I'm really like, on some shit.
I personally don't give a fuck. I know this ain't your issue. But right now, this is the way I'ma stay calm. Cause a real with it, only reason I ain't gonna beat your ass is because I don't know you. I don't have a reason to really beat your ass. I don't fucking know you. This is straight bum. You kick a nigga out and he come to your old crib and bring a and lay on the floor. Yeah, I'm moving out. Y'all clearly see I'm moving out. But damn, sis.
I got a crib.
Yeah, you got a crib. So why you ain't got a her crib, Trey Shine?
It was just at our house. His dad said he needed to be here. He needed to be here.
Our house. Oh, y'all got a house together?
No, I have a house.
Uh-huh.
I have a crib.
How long y'all been fucking around? I missed this part. I'm just asking questions, sis. I need to know the details behind this.
Something wrong with your ass.
How long y'all been fucking around?
Girl, I just met this nigga. So.
You just met him? Oh, damn. Talking about beat her ass. They talking about beat your ass. Beat her ass for what? What I'm gonna beat her ass for? This the bum. This the bum. We ain't together, so why the fuck you in my crib? That's clear we're not together. We all know we not together. You just got put out 2 seconds ago out my other crib crying. You're a bum. Look at this bum. This is some embarrassing ass. This is sad. Look at this crib. I wouldn't even lay it in this if I was like, hell nah. You want me to come lay on the floor and I got a whole crib? You guys to be kidding me. Nick, you see this shit? You see this shit? I hope you don't think he's getting this coat. Can't get shit from me, sis. Hurry up and get up out my shit. Hurry up and get out. Trayshawn, I suggest you don't say shit before you get your ass beat. That's your best bet, sis. That's your best bet, you fucking booty. This is fucking hilarious. Talking about beat they ass. I don't even have the energy. The fact that I just really don't give a fuck about Trayshawn and I done put him out so many times, it's pointless for me to even fight this. For what? You better shut the fuck up. Because I really don't think you want that energy. I think you don't want that energy. That's your best bet. I suggest you, I don't give a fuck. You in my motherfucking shit, laid up with a. So I suggest you shut the fuck up. That's your best bet while I'm being nice. Because you know what type of ignorant I am. Find somebody else to play with, Trayshawn, for real. While I'm letting you walk out of here whole. You better be happy. Fuck. You ain't getting shit. Get your ass the fuck up out my. Look at you. I need that coat. Just know. Just know that's all you gonna be getting, you fucking bum. That's all you gonna be getting. See you later. Look at this shit, y'all. This is funny. This is the fucking funniest shit I ever seen. Champagne fucking Urbana. This laid up in my embedded crib. With a. Look at him walking. Look at him walking away, y'all. Y'all lucky I really just don't give a fuck about this nigga. Like, if I gave a fuck, I would beat his ass. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, nothing. Sean laid in my old house with a.
Alright, viewers and subscribers. I am wondering if the man who is said to be the ex-boyfriend, I'm wondering if he had done these things or what he had done as some form of a spite or a revenge, isn't it? Yeah, I'm wondering if he had done that as a spite or revenge because this is how I look at it now, see? For example, if me and a female was in a relationship, right? And I was staying at her new house, see? And she told me to leave that new house. Then why would I go to the house that she's moving out of with a female? Isn't it? So that's one of the things that I'm looking at and I'm wondering why the man do something like that. I'm wondering maybe if it is revenge or spite. Or maybe he thought that his ex-girlfriend was not going to come back at that house. At that time, he was at the house with the female. You see me? So, you know, those are the things we look at. And are real. Because, look, you see, this world that we live in, viewers and subscribers, this world that we live in is like, you know, some persons intend to do things as revenge. You know, some persons say, hey, oh, so you do this to me? All right, I'm going to do that to you because you do that to me. So, it's like an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth thing. You see me? Yeah, so, you know, it just look a weird to me. A situation like that to me looks somewhat embarrassing. You see me, I say to you, but I guess each to them one. You see me, I say. Now, I want to please bear in mind, you know, I'm wondering, you know, viewers and subscribers. I'm not saying that these things happen, you know. It's not like I am the person or I can read the person's mind. No, I cannot. I'm just wondering, you know. But, you know, you, my viewers and subscribers, can tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think the man had done this out of a spite or revenge, or if him just take a chance and just got caught. You see me, I said to you? So you can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in the video, viewers and subscribers, alright? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one, alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Yeah, and stay safe and, you know, do the necessary things to protect yourself and others from the COVID-19, you see me? Yeah, in my point of view, the pandemic is not really over, you understand? So try your best to protect yourself and others from the COVID-19, and big up and respect to each and every one. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.